Do you think you could do Ninja Warrior? Of course you could. Just how long is it gonna take you to train? Complete these 5 challenges to prove to yourself you can start ninja training. Challenge number 1 is gonna warm our whole body up. So we're gonna try to find something to hold on to with our hands and our feet. Almost anything will work. And then move around slowly while your timer's going. Great, now that you started to warm up, we're going to move to balance. Some parks have things like that. Here we go. This will work great. In this case, this is an easy one to support yourself with 2 feet and then practice lifting and working on 1. 10 seconds on both sides. Next, this is a fun one. We're gonna do the warped wall on the slide. You can do this one slowly like a climbing obstacle or fast like an agility warped wall obstacle. Whatever you do, have fun. And see if you can get all the way up to the top. That is how we accomplish this challenge. And these last 2 challenges go together. Our first goal is to hang for 10 seconds. 5th challenge is to do 2 transfers. The options are limitless. Just make sure you get your hands moved from one bar to the next. Did you get 1? Did you get all 5 challenges? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like a full 10 challenges with scores that I built for this, I'll link that below.